Perfect. So judges produce many cases, and how actually lawyers come to know about those cases? How do they learn that law changed, for example, or new rule was established?
I mean, the first thing I would say there is that if it's within an area that we practice, we tend to hear about it. But as well, if we're looking for information on those things, we need to go to the law reports. We want to understand fully the decision. We want to understand everything else that was said in that decision to see if it may be relevant in the future to some other cases, or if there are any exceptions, to see exactly what has been considered. But the main place I would be looking for new information on developments is in, for example, industry-specific areas. Like I would always look for updates doing the LPC. I'd look for criminal law updates and things like Criminal Bar Quarterly, because although the law reports are helpful, I don't routinely trawl through the law reports looking for new cases.
But law reports generally are more official ways to get...
Oh, absolutely. If I knew what I was looking for, I would go straight to the law reports. To hear about developments, I would look at legal news. But then to actually understand it, the law reports are absolutely invaluable.
So as we can see from the slide, there are some official law reports and there's sort of others. Can you tell us a little bit more about the law reports and how they are released, so people can understand a little bit more?
So the two things that we have on the slide, the official law reports with these citations, these are actually just, if anybody's looked at law at an academic level, these are neutral citations. This is a system that was adopted in 2001 at the top, just so that we can identify the court. For example, if we saw EWCA, which is not on this list, that would be the Court of Appeal. The others are specific law reports, like the weekly law reports, the All England law reports. Those are bodies that record and publish, and it's not the same as a transcript. It's not exactly what was said, other than perhaps when we get to the judgment, but it is a written record. So you can have the same case reported in different reports, especially if it's a very significant case. You may see it with numerous citations and the reports might differ slightly, which is why we're so careful, if we're ever citing anything, to say specifically which report we are referring to.
Do you have any preference as to a particular law report so you can recommend?
I don't personally actually have a preference. I will, if there are multiple reports available for the same case, I would sometimes look between them. But as I say, the actual decision in the judgment, the wording should not change, because usually a lot of it is directly quoted.